We have a heavy right over there. Pretty hard to see. This was a McDonald Douglas.
Oh yeah, dude, that ain't in McDonald
where is he at?
Douglas MD-11.
This is contrail.
Not a DC-10. It's a Boeing 747.
Things like a.
You are nothing.
So I believe you
That's
have a
747,
FedEx
bruh.
MD-11 or so. And yeah, when it just crosses that little wire line, it's gonna stop the video. I think it's a FedEx MD-11. Sunset and MD-11. Can't you hear me over the car? Okay, that was unnecessary. That was a cat right over there. I love it. Anyways, that's a nice little Boeing 747. Ah! I don't know what I'm gonna keep on saying. I think 20 more seconds until the video ends. Adios. I don't know what he's doing right now. And he's gone. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.